Hi there. Welcome to your reading for the week. Before we dive into the reading, let me remind you that you can purchase a personal reading with me if you'd like. Please visit my website to check out the different reading types that I offer. If you'd like to support me another way, you can like this video, leave comments, subscribe to my channel, and let me know whether you like it or not, or what you would like me to change about the videos. All right. So, here we go. The theme of this week is judge. Biro, Richter, Ljuge, Sudak, Kludice. So, I wonder, and please leave a comment if you can answer my question. I wonder what types of feelings come up when you hear the word judge. Do you feel judgment? Do you feel some kind of reproach or negativity? Or do you connect with the idea of justice more? So this is a double-edged sword, obviously, because here we have the righteousness, the fairness, the promise of a just society where bad deeds are punished and bad guys are put behind bars. And then there's the other realm of interpretation where an overactive superego continues to put you down, or external parties interfere with your sense of self-worth or your psychological safety or stability by way of judging you. So what is it going to be? Let's see. What is the connection with the tarot? All right. Interesting. We have the universe or the world come up. Now, although this is a card that has this sort of straightforward interpretation that we can harness, which is this idea of unity, a holistic system that is governed by no particular force. It's an autonomous, self-driven, self-regulated system that does not have a well-defined point of beginning. It just is. It just exists. And any sort of phenomenon or event that arises in such a system is self-initiated. The universe denies or rather renders the concept of external useless. So, where is judgment coming from in such a system? Who are the judges when you exist as a self-contained structure and there's no external observer to rely on or to receive judgment from? I would like to draw another card to expand on the meaning, to explore what is going on here exactly. So one potential route of interpretation here is that we're talking about self-judgment. Oh, this is a card in reverse. All right. So this is the Nine of Swords. Quite a gruesome and ominous card when upright, but in reverse, there's a relief. There's some kind of relief from torturous thoughts and impressions, habitual pathways of judgment, harsh, critical, self-defeating narratives being dissolved, you being absolved of some imaginary sins or burdens that have been planted in your consciousness as a result of troublesome interactions with a less than perfect society. So the judge in this scenario comes from within. He arises as an aspect of the microcosm of your consciousness. He's an agent of good judgment, of relief, and of a resolution that alleviates the suffering that has no real roots in reality. So there's a chance, there's a moment or a series of moments opening up to you for your consideration, where you can be absolved of your quote-unquote sins, where you can drop some burdens, some mental debris that you've been carrying around for no good reason. It is deemed, it is judged to be expandable, no longer necessary. This is the end of a sentence, a very long sentence without a period at the end. Now there's a period. and now it's over. And you can revel in the euphoric dance of synchronicities and this unseen, invisible order that the universe generates for you. You're innocent until proven guilty. And you're innocent when you're proven not guilty. And I think the judge is here to give you that message. You're not guilty. And the pain that's been shaping your behavior, it has become obsolete. And you're healing now. So this looks like a wonderful week full of opportunity to question and reframe some negative judgments that might have been making your life difficult. So I hope that you enjoyed this reading. I wish you the best of luck. And I hope to see you next week. Bye-bye.